So hello everyone. So let's solve a numerical on economic load dispatch with losses. So this numerical is asked in engineering services exam in the year 2017. The loss formula coefficient matrix for a two plant system is given by, so B matrix or loss formula coefficient matrix is given in the problem. The economic schedule for a certain load is given as P1 equal to 150 megawatt and P2 equal to 275 megawatt. What is the penalty factor for plant 1 for this particular condition? And four options are given to us. So first we will write the given data. So B coefficient matrix is given. Now for two plant system, because this is a two plant system, we know that loss coefficient matrix is given as B11, B12, B21 and B22, and unit of loss coefficient or B coefficient, as we know, it is megawatt inverse practical unit. So if we compare given matrix with this matrix, then we can write B11 is 0.001 megawatt inverse, B12, and that is equal to B21, it is minus 0.0001, again megawatt raised to minus 1 or per megawatt, and B22 it is 0.0013 megawatt raised to minus 1. So that is the B coefficient for given two plant system. Now they have specified one condition, one economic schedule is given. So economic schedule condition they have given. So economic schedule condition is given as P1 equal to 150 megawatt and P2 equal to 275 megawatt. What we need to determine? So what is the penalty factor for plant 1? So basically we have to calculate the penalty factor of first plant. It is denoted by L1. So we need to calculate how much is L1. Now we can solve this particular problem. Let me write here solution. Now what is the meaning of penalty factor, or what is the formula for penalty factor? So we know that penalty factor L, it is given by 1 upon 1 minus daba PL by daba P. Now if we want to calculate for first unit, then L1 will be daba PL by daba P1. Now what is the power loss for two plant system in terms of B coefficient? So that also we have seen that for two plant system, PL is given by PL equal to P1 square B11 plus 2 P1 P2 B12 plus P2 square B22. So this is the formula for transmission loss for two plant system in terms of B coefficient. Now we require daba PL by daba P1. So we need to take the partial derivative of PL with respect to P1. So if we take daba PL by daba P1, then we will get it as first term will be 2 P1 B11 plus second term will be 2 P2 B12 and third term will be simply 0 because there is no term of P1 here. Now values of P1, P2, B11, B12, it is specified in the problem itself. So using the values, so from the given values, so daba PL by daba P1 will be equal to 2 into, how much is P1? So if you go to the previous slide, so P1 is 150 and P2 is 275. So P1 is 150. B11 it is 0.001 plus 2 times P2 it is 275, and how much is B12? As you can see, B12 or B21 it is minus 0.0001, so minus 0.0001 0.001. So if you calculate this, so let me go to the next slide. So dabba PL by dabba P1, if we calculate, we will get it as 0.245. Now we can use the expression for L1. So since L1 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus dabba PL by dabba P1. So therefore L1 will be equal to 1 upon 1 minus 0.245. So that is equal to 1 upon, so if you do 1 minus 0.245, so it will be 0.755. So that is equal to 1.3245. 1.3245. So that is, we can write, that is penalty factor of first plant 1.3245. Now if we compare the options, 1.3245, so correct option is option A. So we'll write here, correct answer is option A. Thank you.